What's up, everybody? Ali Flores again here with OrlandoVacation.com, coming at you with a fun video and helping you make your next Orlando vacation awesome. Now, we get this question a lot. They always want to know, do we want to stay on site or off site at Disney? All right, now many people visiting Disney World Orlando are faced with the decision of either staying at the many amazing on-site hotels or choosing accommodation in the city. Choosing a hotel inside Disney World has its perks, but it has to fit your budget. Now, before we get into all of that stuff, please hit that subscription button and the bell icon so you can get notified of when these videos pop up. So let's start with the perks of staying on site at Disney World. Resort guests are entitled to a special privilege at Disney World with early theme park entry. When you're a Disney World guest staying at an on-site resort, you're allowed to enter theme parks a half hour before opening every day throughout your stay. This can significantly reduce wait times and save you more time for more experience. This means that you could get to Rise of the Resistance or Flight of Passage, both are extremely popular, before the day guests do it. That's awesome. This also means that you can purchase individual lightning lanes hours before day guests can as well. Disney has made their property as convenient as possible to entice you to stay on property. There is transportation provided, amenities such as pools. There are smaller attractions nearby like water parks and mini golf at an additional charge at that. So the biggest deterrent can be the cost. Resorts such as Disney's Polynesian Village Resort are expertly themed but can start at $600 a night. They do have lower price resorts like Disney All-Star that can start around $140, but it lacks the amenities of the higher priced ones. However, if you don't care too much about being first in line with the perk from staying on property, you might want to look into vacation rental homes like Champions Gate. It has resort-like amenities with its pool and restaurant. It's close to Disney and has the comforts of an actual home and starts at $120 when purchased through Orlando Vacation. There are also nearby hotels like Holiday Inn Resort, Lake Buena Vista, which is near several attractions and pet-friendly. On top of that, it has a free shuttle to Disney. Stays here can equal out to $49 a night when booked through us. If you choose a good time of year to visit and space your time out while on vacation, you will be able to enjoy all the attractions you want at Disney without needing that extra 30 minutes in the morning. All right, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.